All right, guys, believe it or not, I have the MacBook Air M1 chip, the 2020 model, and I just got it right now from Euronix. And then if you can see the label right now, it's saying that this is a MacBook Air 13-inch, and it's basically an English keyboard. So you look at it, the labeling here is 8 gig unified memory, 256 gig SSD space, and it's a 13 inches MacBook Air with M1 chip. Yeah, of course, this is the 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU model, and then you have all the other specs there. So I'm looking for where they specify that this is an English keyboard. But if I cannot find it, well, basically, you can be assured that this one is an English keyboard. As in, I mean, that's what I was told. I cannot find where they specifically said the keyboard is in English, but I specifically told them I wanted an English keyboard. Yeah, so one more thing, this is actually silver color. I couldn't find the space gray for whatever reason, and I'm here stuck with the silver color. So I'm going to go right now to unbox this bad boy. Okay, and I lift it up this way. Apparently, I did not need the knife. I brought it. Then take out the nylon. Okay, moment of truth. 1, 2, go. Okay, almost there. I'll take out the noise and then open this finally. Oh, I think this is actually beauty, believe me. So this is the MacBook Air in all its glory. But for 1 minute, let me keep this aside and check the other things we have in store. So I guess there's the charging cable. Looks really quality, to be honest. It looks so firm and solid. Yeah, so the charging cable. I guess some paperwork designed by Apple. Yeah. More paperwork. Because these are just okay. I don't get into that. And then the power adapter. I don't know how many watt this is. Is it written there? Okay, so this 30-watt power adapter. 30-watt power adapter. And I guess that's all in the box. Quite simple. So let's put it aside again and then bring in the main bad boy into the picture. And let's open this. Yep. And there you have it. MacBook Air. It looks really slim, believe me. Super slim. I think I love this slim silver color. I wanted the space gray, but they didn't have it, and this was the last one they had in store. I was forced to take this. I got it for 1,100 euros. I think it's a really good deal, given that from Amazon it was $9.99, and then if you had Amazon's shipping fee and all, you're getting to 1,050. So I guess it's a really good deal. It's the cheapest I saw here, and I think I have no regrets whatsoever. So now we open the one and test. Oh, for some reason I cannot open this with one hand. So okay. Wow, did you see that? Oh, hear that? Let me take this off as well. Oh my goodness. MacBook Air in all its glory. Oh my, this is actually beauty. This is beautiful. Yeah, so waiting. I'm supposed to wait. I'm not sure, but let's see. Let's try to operate this. So I guess we just click on this. I want English. Yeah, English UK. I think this is really beautiful. Anyway, Apple did a very good job with the design, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Again, the power adapter, and the I'm not sure this is connecting, and I don't know why. Okay, so I guess I'll just end this video here, and then I'll try to figure this out myself. So again, yeah, it's for some reason it's trying to connect to the internet, but this is actually very gorgeous. I have no regrets right now. Zero regrets. MacBook Air. Ciao. So I'll catch you guys later, and then that's it for now.